Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful phenomena that happened at my house. On July 17th, on the morning of July 17th, I witnessed a beautiful display of rainbow on the feet of Lord Buddha, on the feet and on his palm. I really felt blessed. It looked so beautiful. I just stood there a few minutes, just admired the beauty, and I wondered how come I missed it all these years. We lived in this house for 14 years. I never get to witness this beautiful display. I have seen the same rainbow effect in my family room and living room when light passes through the glass windows. I'm sure you must have seen those also. But in this case, the rainbow falling on the feet of Lord Buddha and on his palm, I felt this is something really special. I just stood there and try to absorb all the positive energies coming from those rays. It stayed there for about half an hour and just faded away. And then my curious mind, the scientific mind, started to analyze this happening, how this phenomena is possible. And I looked around to see where the light, the sun rays are coming from. The statue is kept in a passage, and there are no windows in the passage. So I was just wondering how the rays are coming from. Then I noticed the front door, the peephole on the front door, and the sun rays were coming through the peephole. And our house is east faced, so when the sun rises, we get the full sun. And I saw the sun rays coming through the peephole, and it falls on the statue. The next morning, I woke up and I filmed the sunrise. There's a hill in front of our house, and you can see the sun is rising behind the hill. And it's not fully out yet, so when I looked at the statue, there's no rainbow effect yet. This is the peephole on my door. So the sun rays are not passing through the peephole yet. Now the sun is almost out. The rays are hitting the peephole slowly, but still the sun is not in a line with the peephole yet. This is how the rainbow is formed. When the sun rays comes through the peephole, there is a lens inside the peephole. So the lens diffracts the sunlight and displays the rainbows on any object that's on the path of the rays. So here Buddha's statue is on the path of the sun rays. Actually, Buddha's feet is on the path of the sun rays. So that's how the rainbow falls on the feet of Lord Buddha. Let's look at this diagram. This explains what is diffraction, how it's different from reflection and refraction. The last picture is the diffraction. That's what is happening here. When I watched on later days, I saw the rainbow was moving away from the feet of Lord Buddha, and also it was fading away. That is because the sun does not rise on the same spot every day. You can look at this picture. This is a calendar of the sunrise from March through June. March, you can see it's on the right hand side of the hill, and in June you can see the sunrise, the spot of the sunrise is on the left side of the hill. This is because the path of the earth around the sun is elliptical. It's not the circle. If it's a circle, sun will rise on the same spot every day. Since it's elliptical, it's like an oval shape, oval path, the sun does not rise on the same spot. In my house, the sun and the peephole align around mid-July. This I noticed it on July 17th, so it must be happening around July 17th. And after the 17th, I saw the rainbow fading away and moving away. So as the sunrise moves away, the rainbow fades away. All these years, I was not at the right place at the right time. That's how I've been missing this beautiful display. I really feel blessed that finally I get to see the rainbow. Finally, I was at the right place at the right time. Please share the video with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and please ask your friends and family to do so. And I will be back soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.